How to use Zoom. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So Zoom is an video conferencing and virtual meeting application which is very useful for people who are engaged in business or students, teachers and for daily conference meetings as well. Now, in order to use it, first install it. You can do it using your Play Store or your App Store. However, you can also use the web version, but using the app is more efficient. Simply search for Zoom, and this is the application that you would be looking for. Simply install Zoom Workplace. Now, launch your Zoom application. After that, you will find several options here. Like in your top navigation bar, you will find new meeting, join, schedule, and share screen button. If you want to create a new meeting, simply tap on the new meeting button. If you have a code to your Zoom meeting, go to Zoom join button and then you can create a meeting and have meeting as well. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.